the price of SUI coin is really doing well. Yeah, so yeah, I believe that SUI, for me, they are really trying, because today almost 5% increase in price, 4.27 price increase, when most coins are been losing. Some coins have actually dropped 7%, some haven't dropped 11%, some dropped 5%, 3%, 2%. But this coin right now is profiting with a green, trading at 4.27% increase in price. Now, there is one important thing I love about this coin. Let me tell you the area where I love SUI coin so much. Even after the time of recording this, the coin is ranked 89 crypto coin with the highest market cap. It just recently overtakes Trust Wallet, okay, which was ranked 89. Okay, now for me, SUI coin, yes, at the time of recording this, what I love so much, like I said before, is the number of supply they have. Yes, 723,162,190 SUI coin as supply. Okay, so this is good for a coin like this, as a supply. This is good for a coin like this. That means they don't even have up to 800 million coins, not even up to 1 billion, when you compare this to most new coins that we have right today. So the possibility for the scarcity of this coin is much possible. Yes, imagine staking. Imagine they introduce staking of SUI. Imagine they introduce staking. Now imagine people start buying and staking their coins. Definitely, if they can stake millions of SUI, the supply will reduce. Now, not just staking, let's bring in burning. You see, there's a possibility that this coin that today is going to do. As of the time of recording, the price is trading at 50 cents. In fact, when I was analyzing this coin today, it was actually trading at that's 47 cents. In my present, it was just rising to enter 50 cents, 51 cents. I was like, this is good. So for me, SUI should remain one of the best crypto coins. One need to be watchful right now is actually push its way into the top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap, which is good, which is a good thing for a coin like this. So watch out for SUI coin. It's actually ranked among the top 100. If you go to CoinMarketCap, you will see it there. Right now, at the time of recording, it is ranked 89 crypto coins with the highest market cap. And I love, like I said before, what I love so much about this coin is the word circulating supply, which is not even up to 800 million. I love this. I love coins with few supply, because there's a tendency, there's a probability that if they play their way well, they are this kind of coins that hit like Solana from 50 cents. After 1 year, we saw Solana trading at over $260. What? Wow. Take a look at Solana coin supply. So you cannot have billions, trillions, and you expect to hit that much. No, it's not possible. So that's one thing I love about SUI coin. Please remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.